National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cook County in northeast Illinois, northern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, northern Kane County in northeast Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeast Illinois until 8 o'clock p.m. At 7:18 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Gilbert's, or 5 miles west of Sleepy Hollow, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Elgin, East Dundee, and Carpentersville around 7:30 p.m. Wayne around 7:35 p.m. Streamwood, Hoffman Estates, and Bartlett around 7:40 p.m. Hanover Park and Schaumburg around 7:45 p.m. Medina, Roselle, Carroll Stream, and Droling Meadows around 7:50 p.m. Itasca and Wooddale around 7:55 p.m. The following locations may also be impacted: College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Elgin Community College, Harper College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, and Wheaton College. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.